I'm going to walk you through how to enable or disable sites from using JavaScript on your Opera GX. The first thing you need to do is from your home menu, you press the alternate and the P keys, which is the keyboard shortcut to get to the settings. And once you open up the settings, you scroll all the way down until you see site settings. So click on site settings and scroll down until you see JavaScript under content. Click on JavaScript. And now if you want to allow, because one thing is that sites usually use JavaScript to display interactive features like video games or web forms. Now if you want sites to be able to do this as it's using JavaScript, click on this. If you do not want them to be able to use JavaScript, click on this. But if you do that, it means that they won't be able to display interactive features like video games or web forms, so be careful before you choose. This affects all of them. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.